So guys, today we're going to Hasbrookite Motorrad. So the fog light, it's a little bit lower right here. So the braking system is made by BMW. So this is triple black. I like the design. So cool. Like a mud design. Right. That's a built-in speakers. Mention built-in speakers. And display is wider. It's like a car. I like this. This is RT. Look at the display, guys. It's wide and has a built-in BMW speakers on it. And it's not too high. Hindi siya masyadong mataas. So this is another R1300. Oh, perfect for long distance. Got a lock and release button. And another button here para you can move it backward or forward. You got like the handle. Very nice. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. So nice. You have the emblem here. It's so cool. I don't know what that means. This is perfect for long distance, guys. Alright, look at the tire. The tire is so huge. And I like this. That's the emblem too. So we got the lock here. Unlock. There's another fan here to protect from the heat. And this one has like a spike. It's really good. And another one here. Yep. And you can easily move this. Just click it. It's really nice. triple black. And of course, it comes with a shield protection, wind shield protection. I think this is what they call aerodynamic, right? So good, guys. Alright, so now again, this price, they already put 3,300 miles, so it's a demo. So there's a discount. Pag nandito ka na sa US, once they demo this from outside, the price will go down. So the price of this one is $30,000. It used to be $32,000. You know why it's more expensive? Because this one has a wider display. Okay, and has a built-in speakers both sides. Okay, so that's all you need. And I already have that back tools. 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now there's another one here. Another R1300 triple black. Another one. So this one. Alright, there's another one there. You got your fog light. Braking system is the BMW, so nice. So you have a dual disc brake from BMW. Of course, there's another fan here. Cooling system to help your cooling system. Meron siyang footrest here, so for the long driving you can just relax. Right. So you can mount your triple box here. Wide, very wide. So this one has a smaller LCD display, so mas cheaper ito siya kaysa isa. But this thing, it's so wide. Wide siya masyado dito. Very wide, like a triangle. Like this, or maybe for another extra phone or another bag, maybe you can mount. Of course, has a protection here. Look at this, no hub. Different type of hub. Comes with it. side mountable. You can mount something here, another bag, extra bag. Right, let's check the price. So this is 2025 R1300RT DV. Alright, so this placement is 1300cc with horsepower 145 horsepower at 775 mm. So drivetrain clutch multi-disc wet clutch, so whatever that is. So even you're gonna run into water, you don't have a problem with the braking system. That's so big. So ito ay $27,000, and plus this is already a demo. We got the discount for like almost $2,000 because somebody like test drive this, I guess. So now it's $27,000. Supposed to be like almost $30,000. Alright. This one I like this. This one I like for long distance. I like the speakers. I like LCD. This one, it's the same thing. It's the same one. This is R1300RT, the same one. Alright. So this one is ready for that. For this.